Hey Pookies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this hair. Mind you, this is a curly hair routine. I love this routine just because it is allowing me to not put so much heat on my hair. I have been on a hair journey for the past 8 months. Honestly, the curls come out super cute. My natural hair gets to live a little bit, which that's what I've been wanting. If you guys enjoy routine, beauty, lifestyle vlogs, I would suggest you guys subscribe because that's what this YouTube channel is all about. So with no further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and just take this towel off. And you see, the hair is doing its own thing. Oh my goodness. But I mean, she's a lot healthier than whenever I hadn't chopped her off. She looks short now, like super short. But I feel like my hair's been at this length for the longest time. I'm slowly chopping it off, getting all of my red down. It's okay guys, someday I will be back. So first thing I like to do is apply this Eva NYC heat protectant. I actually really like this. I got this at Sam's Club. Don't sleep on Sam's Club. But this is a heat protectant and it also helps with frizz. And it helps me whenever I'm detangling my hair. So I just like to literally spray this everywhere. I look like a mess. I look like a mess. I look like a mess, but it's okay. My friend actually told me not to use a brush and use a comb anytime that I detangle my brush, detangle my hair. Anyways, my friend told me to start detangling with my comb, and as you guys can see, literally it is so easy. Like whenever I put that heat protectant in, it is so easy to detangle my hair. Another thing that helped was like chopping all of my dead ends. That helped tremendously, believe me. She's nice and detangled. It's like super wet, but that's okay. We're just gonna grab this towel and we're just gonna like, you know, scrunch it, try to get all of the excess water out. We are gonna put some leave-in conditioner and some curling cream today. I have been testing different like methods to do curly hair routine, and this is the one that we're gonna try today. I'm gonna be using these leave-in conditioner that I got at TJ Maxx. It still has a tag. Don't play with me, you guys already know I love TJ Maxx. This is the curling cream that I showed in my first video that I got at the Dollar Tree, and we're gonna try it out because it says it's curling cream with shea butter and coconut oil. And I was like, you know what? It doesn't hurt to try it. We are just testing things out to see what works the best. So this is the one we're using today. I'm gonna start off by parting my hair. I'm gonna go in first with the leave-in conditioner, and this is almond and avocado from Design Essentials. I was looking for a leave-in conditioner and I was like, let me try this one because it's on sale. Just gonna put that in the hair. I was never really a big like leave-in conditioner person until I started doing like my curly routine. I'm trying my best to not use heat on my hair. I haven't used heat on it except once, and that was when I went to see my friend. You guys will see that video after this video, so make sure you guys subscribe. And then I comb it all out, just making sure that I distribute the product correctly and evenly throughout my hair. We're gonna part my hair again, and we're gonna go in with the cream. Just come off, Pookie, just come off. But you see the excess on there, I'm just gonna scrape that off. Ooh, it's like thick. Okay, I like that. I can feel the thickness of that product. Guys, today's been such a long day. Like, if you guys only knew, people have been testing me lately. Look at them. I'm a cream person. Like, me personally, I feel like when it comes to cream and lotion for your body, I'm 100% cream person. I just like the thicker consistency. It makes me feel like I'm actually moisturizing my body, you know? I'm gonna grab this oil and I'm gonna put a little bit this on my hair. And I remember I saw this one girl and she was like, yes, I curl my hair without plugging my curling iron in. And I was like, huh? It hit me. Use the curling iron to form your curls. Duh. Now we are going to part our hair in half. A bottom section and a top section. Now we're working with this section, right? I go in with my comb and I'm just gonna comb this out. I'm gonna be adding product as I go, but I'm just gonna literally put it through my hair. Just now grabbing my comb, I'm gonna grab a section first. Comb out what the section you're gonna use. I grab the curling iron that's not plugged in and I bring it up and I kind of just curl it like natural. Así. Kind of curling it natural, right? And then once I get to this section, you know, there's no heat on here. What I like to do is bring it out así and then twist it. You see? Y'all can see that? That right there? That's what I want. I'm gonna do this throughout my whole hair. You want it away from your face. And then I like to do it as if I was curling my hair naturally. Get all the way to the bottom and then twist, like, you know, roll it up. And right before you get here, usually when I'm curling my hair, I would wait it and leave it here. You bring it out and you twist it. And then you just keep twisting it. You see how it's still clogged, like clogged in there or stuck in there? You just keep twisting it in the same direction. And then you slowly let it go. And then that's that. So now that I have these little sections, something that I personally like to do is just go in, scrunch them a little. I'm gonna grab a little more, put that on my hand. So I just use my nails to separate it. And I repeat the process. Bring it up. Now bring it down slowly. When you get to the bottom, you start curling as if the tool was hot. You get to the top, you take it out slowly and you keep twisting it, and then you just continue twisting. And now that I'm working in this section, I like to scrunch them individually as I'm finishing them. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. This is before I dry it. Now we're gonna use this to dry my hair, and make sure you have it on the lowest setting. We're gonna flip my head over and we're just gonna do the same thing, and we're just gonna keep scrunching it, okay? Okay guys, so as you can see, look at the curls. They're there. Like some of them, like look at this. Like look. It's there. Just gonna add some oil. I'm gonna add this oil. And just play around with it. Get it how you want it. Look, I love that. And we just fix it how we want. And this is the part that I like to just like find random little strands and curl them. Make sure you're going away from your face. See, look, beautifully. And then there's always that one piece. Yeah, that's that. That is it. This is my curly hair routine, as you can tell. If you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to watch. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.